We're going to awaken. Are you excited? Are you ready? Are you feeling it? Maybe, I don't know. I'm not getting it from you. I'm not feeling it. All right, Catalina is definitely ready. I'm going to harness all of your energy. We will spread it into this sanctuary space and begin our journey to awakening. Yes. Oh. Imagining our temple space, feeling yourself in our etheric sanctuary, finding your favorite spot in our circle. And arriving into this moment. Feeling your breath. And using that breath to anchor your prana, your energy down into the earth through the tailbone. Solidly rooting and connecting to Mama Earth. Deep bow of gratitude to our Mama Earth for providing everything we need unconditionally. And as you allow that energy to continue to descend and connect and feel that energy of holding and nurturing that solid foundation, allow the rest of the spine to rise up vertebrae by vertebrae, heart lifted. Allow the shoulder blades to drop down towards the butt. Head is level to the ground, chin is tucked. The cervical vertebrae are extending and reaching upwards through the crown. Connecting that energy up to the stars. Picking your favorite heavenly body, star, planet, planetary system, galaxy. Connecting to that higher perspective, that higher mind. And here you are, suspended between heaven and earth, deeply rooted, deeply connected, feeling the breath. As you relax your belly, the breath falls in. As you gently pull the navel center in and up, the breath pushes out. eyes closed and focused on the third eye point. Let's bring our hands together, rub the palms. And place our hands in prayer mudra to prepare to chant our Adi mantra, remembering our truth, remembering our creative energy. Inhaling deep. Exhale. And inhale to begin. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Om Namo Guru Dev Namo. Inhale deeply, suspend the breath gently. Inhale more as needed. Pull Mulband, root lock, tightening those lower muscles around the perineum. Squeezing gently up. Press the palms. Exhale, release the breath. All the way. Inhale deeply, hold, lift. Feel those locks. Exhale. Inhale, hold, expanding your lung capacity, sniffing more air in. And exhale, and releasing your hands. Let's shake the wrists out. Continue to, as we go through this class today, continue to feel that connection to the earth and the heavens. Remember that axis. Feel that connection. And then let us bring our hands onto our knees and begin our Sufi grind exercise. Nice and easy. Good morning, Anne and Sharon and Catalina and Suzanne and Cindy and Scott and Pauline and Liz and Kathleen and Deb and Pragati, feeling these beautiful souls encircle with you today. These beloveds, feeling your brothers and sisters encircle. As we all move so beautifully together, opening up our body, unwinding, letting go of whatever energies are no longer needed, and bringing in energies that we want to live into. And with the breath, we anchor those energies in, and with the exhale, we release those energies that we don't need any longer. And welcome to Chandra. Keep circling. Reaching as your body warms up. You can reach a little bit further. Come all the way back. Go as far back as you do go forward. Really reach into that circle. And then inhale to center. Exhale, reverse. direction. Feeling that anchor point below us from the tailbone down. Feeling that connection point from the crown chakra up. You're stirring the heavens with your crown, anchored solidly into Mama Earth. Good. And let's wind back into our center here. Come back to center. Pause, hold, feel, connect. And exhale, release. Sliding the hands onto the shins. We come into our spinal flexors. Inhale forward. Exhale back nice and easy. Pressing the heart forward, pulling the heart back. Feeling the breath. Feel that axis between heaven and earth. Ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hung, 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 ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hung. Inhale forward, hold. Perfect the posture. Pomo Band. And exhale, returning your spine to a neutral position. We are going to bring our hands onto our shoulders. Fingers in front, thumbs behind. Gently squeezing the shoulder blades together. Making sure the chin is tucked. We begin our twists. Inhale left, exhale right. Nice and easy. Smoothly moving. Ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hung, 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 ra, ma, da, sa, se, so, hung. Back to center. Inhale, hold. Perfect the posture. Pomo Band. And exhale, release. Let's extend our right leg out to the side. Pressing into our heel, pulling our toes towards us. We are going to go into a forward bend. Inhaling, reaching the fingertips up towards the heavens. We're going to twist our whole torso over our right leg. We're going to extend our heart towards our knee until our body says, let's Perfect. And then we're going to drop everything and relax, relaxing the foot, the leg, the lower back, the upper back, the shoulders, the chin, the neck, the face. And we're just going to let gravity do its work here as we, with our magical breath, inhale, bring us the energy that we want, and exhaling, letting go of what we don't need any longer. Filling that lower back with as much of this breath as you can, and exhaling fully and completely. And then just letting go, releasing all the muscles here. Ramadasa. Sa se so hung. Ramadasa. Sa se so hung. Ramadasa. Sa se so hung. Inhale. Exhale, release even more. And on the next inhale, gently roll up the spine, vertebrae by vertebrae. Come back to center, switch legs. Press into the heel, pull the toe towards you. Reach up and out of the hips. Touch your star. Turn your torso over your left leg. Extend forward. Once you reach your edge, just let everything go. Leg, foot, head, back. And again, passively stretching, not pushing, but thinking about letting go of what no longer you need, what you no longer need, what muscles you no longer need to be holding right now. Any emotions, any energies, any ideas, any patterns, any conditions that are no longer serving you in this particular moment, let go with the breath. Breathe into the tight places and release. Ramadasa. Sa se so hung. Ramadasa. Sa se so hung. Ramadasa. Sa se so hung. Inhaling deep into the low back. Exhaling, release even more. And on the next inhale, gently roll up the spine to center. And release your leg. Let's do a few easy, gentle shoulder rolls. Backwards. Breathing into anything tight, anything constricted, anything stagnant. Any old ideas, any non-serving thoughts, any stuck emotions, anything you just don't need anymore right now. You can pick it up later if you want, but let it go. Breathe into it, breathe it out. Give a little shoulder shrug. Exhale with a sigh as you drop the shoulders. Feeling that anchor point below you connected to Mama Earth. Feeling that connection point from the crown up to your favorite star, relative, planetary body. Gently turn your head to look over your left shoulder, just till your body wants to stop. Don't press into it any further. Inhale to center, exhale to the right. Inhale to center, exhale to the left. Center, right. Center, left. Center, right. Center. We're going to bend our left ear towards our left shoulder. Again, just to your body's own edge. Don't press. And then inhale to center, exhale down to the right. Inhale to center, exhale to the left. To center, to the right. To center, then drop your chin to your chest. And just take a couple of nice deep breaths as you just hang your head here, stretching out your spine. And inhale back to center. I gave you a cheat sheet for my mantra. It is my name today. You have heard me say it. Ramadasa Sa Se So Hung. It's a healing mantra. It helps to clear that which no longer serves and helps to build that which we want in our lives, or that which will serve us that we don't even know that we want. Our hands are going to be, the crooks of our wrists are going to be in the knees, and we are going to chant. And as we chant, we are going to create little circuits with our fingers. So, Ra, we bring our index finger to our thumb, and then middle finger, Ma, ring finger, Rama, Da, Sa, and then backwards, Sa, Se, So, Hung. So I'm going to do it one more time so you can see. Ra, Ma, Da, Sa, Sa, Se, So, Hung. Okay, so join in as you feel comfortable. Again, feel these vibrations, these syllables, these syllables that your soul remembers, these ancient syllables that are part of your soul. Feel how they vibrate in your being. Notice how your mouth moves. Notice how your tongue moves. Let the eyes continue to stay closed. Once you've got what it looks like, focus on the third eye point, gently, without straining. Feeling that connection to Mama Earth. Feeling that deep gratitude that you have for her and all that she provides. And feeling that higher connection up into the stars. Feeling that wisdom and that huge and vast, beyond our capacity to even understand perspective that is available to us by connecting upwards through the crown. So, nice deep breath in and out. And let's inhale to begin. Ramadasa sa se so hung. 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 Inhale, hold. Tips of the index finger touch the thumb. Pull Mulband. Keep those held. Exhale completely. Inhale, hold. Feel those connection points to heaven and earth. Continue to connect as you exhale. Inhale, hold. Exhale, release. Relax your hands and the locks and feel pay attention to your subtle experience of self and world. And for those who need to depart, as we transition into our meditative state, feel free to quietly depart and chat goodbye to us in the chat. And for those who need to find a more comfortable space for meditation, you may do so now. Otherwise, just continue to feel into this beautiful reverberation that's present. For our meditators who are just joining, feel into our collective field, into our collective sanctuary space, our etheric temple. Feeling that connection to the heavens through the crown chakra. Feeling a gentle pull upwards, connecting to our favorite star or planetary body. And at the same time feeling that strong connection to Mama Earth, that anchoring into Gaia. And as you said, feel this beautiful golden liquid light energy falling down from the heavens, cascading down into your crown, and slowly, like golden honey, light dropping down through your being, helping to heal, to restore, to rejuvenate, to move anything that's stuck, to clear any debris, anything that no longer serves you in this moment. And to foster your strength and resilience and energy and love and connection as it slowly makes its way down through your beautiful body, through the pelvis, down through the legs, through the tailbone, connecting even to Mama Earth, down this continuous beautiful stream of honey golden liquid light, this healing energy descending down, 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 down. And anything that no longer serves us gets pulled down into Mama Earth to be composted and recycled and transformed. And you notice now that this honey golden light is just descending on its own. It's doing it all by itself. You don't even need to put a lot of attention or energy on it. You can just feel this beautiful healing light, this restorative, cleansing energy, just bathing you, moving all the way through down into Mama Earth. You notice that you can be so gentle and so peaceful and so calm, so aware and so open, and so relaxed in this moment as this energy continues to work its way through you. Continuing to feel this beautiful light. This beautiful healing light working its way last few minutes of just letting go, of cleaning, of clearing, of enhancing, of restoring, of rejuvenating every cell, every system. Every channel, every level. And with a deep bow of gratitude to this light, you thank it. You have received your full healing. And now you just allow that light to dissipate. And if there's any excess, to just overflow through you, out into your world, your community, into the earth. Deep bow of gratitude to this golden healing liquid light from the stars. And you take a nice deep breath in and out. And gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Give a little bit of a stretch and a yawn. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And we'll close our space again today with the Long Time Sunshine song. So if you know the words, join in or listen. Taking a nice deep breath in and out. And inhale to begin. May the long time sun shine upon you. All love surround you. Guide your way on. Guide your way on. Guide your way on. Sat Nam. Peace to all, love to all, light to all. Sat Nam. Thank you so much for being here today, everybody. Tis 9:17 apparently. Please feel free to unmute yourself to say goodbye. And I can't wait to see you tomorrow. I have to run today, so I won't be able to stay late. But mwah, have an amazing day. And I'll talk to you soon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
Love you, Lance.
Love you
Love you,
guys.
love you.
Bye.
Bye.
All right.
Bye.